Hello, welcome to my easy tutorial on how I draw my stick figures. First we start with a gigantic head, and then we add arms coming directly from the head. Optionally, you can make your stick figures in the 3-head proportion where you use the head to measure out the whole body. Torso equals 1 head in size, legs equals 1 head in size. Very cute stick person proportions. Next up, the faces. First we draw the eyes fairly far apart to make room to draw the mouth in the middle. You could optionally feminize the stick figure by giving it beautiful lashes. To make the stick figure look different directions, simply place the eyes on the circle in the area it is looking up, down, and to the side as shown by the example drawings. Possibly helpful tip. References: using figure drawings and real-life photos for inspiration can guide with posing for your stick figure. Final words. Experiment. Try many different ways to draw these stick people and have fun. There are no strict rules. Thank you for watching, and thus concludes my guide on how to draw stick figures like me. Like and subscribe for more random content, or I'll sacrifice a stick figure to the lava gods.